ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ,
ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಐ.
Right now, I'm standing in front of
Sridevi Institute of Technology.
ಪ್ರತಿ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಸುದ್ದಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಏನು. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ have it.
Hello viewers, welcome to Campus Eye, the show that brings you news from colleges in and around Mangaluru. I'm Joanne, your host for today. Let's have a quick look at the headlines.
St. Aloysius College felicitated the teachers for their achievements. Besant Evening College conducted a one-day national level workshop on 28th March.
Department of Mass Communication of St. Aloysius College conducts an awareness program on human rights. Department of Mass Communication of St. Aloysius College organizes a workshop on women's self-defense techniques, Stree Shakti.
Staff Association Day 2014-15 conducted in St. Aloysius College.
The task of an excellent teacher is to stimulate apparently ordinary people to unusual effort. The tough problem is not in identifying winners, it is in making winners out of ordinary people. To award such teachers, St. Aloysius College, Mangaluru conducted Sambrama, an award ceremony.
An award ceremony to honor the teachers of St. Aloysius College, Sambrama, was held on 30th March 2015. The function started off with a prayer song. "81 selected awardees were honored by the dais members, who consisted of the rector, Reverend Father Denzel Lobo, the principal, Reverend Father Sweebert De Silva, and the convener of the program, Harsha Paul. Teaching as well as non-teaching staff were awarded based on retirement, seniority, and exams they answered, like NET, that the teachers did pass.
Cecilia De Silva from the Department of Zoology.
Students are living in the age of technological devices, where the technique of editing and learning is changing. Keeping this in view, Besant Evening College, Mangaluru conducted a national workshop.
Under the theme Inclusive Practices, Creating Classroom Experiences to Enhance Teaching Learning, Besant Evening College conducted a national level workshop at the college auditorium. Professor K. Shankaran, Director Institute of NITE, the chief guest of the event, spoke on the need to be genuinely academic criticals.
One with that person, and it's a surrogate experience at that time. It's an artificial experience that's created. So I think case study is very, very useful, provided we are able to frame it for the Indian context, in this case in our country.
Professor Naneshwar Pai Marur, conference chief advisor, briefed the topic and remarked the classrooms are adapting itself into digital devices.
How and when to learn, but also construct their own learning experiences. The learner-centered approach reflects and is rooted in constructivist philosophy in learning.
More than 100 paper presenters from across the country participated. Professor Deepa Shetty, Manipal Institute of Management, Kozhikode, conducted technical session with interaction and audience participation. Dr. Carmelita Govas, principal of the college, shared her views to Campus Eye.
Teachers and also for the students of the postgraduate departments who we feel are the future teachers. This workshop is on inclusive practices, enhancing the classroom experience.
One of the students spoke to Campus Eye.
I participated in this workshop today and it was very interesting workshop about the intensive teaching and learning. I came to know how interactive it should be in the classroom and about intensive learning and even about the present technologies which is brought in the present education world like smart class.
All the citizens have their own right to freedom, right to speech and expression. The Department of Mass Communication organized an event which threw light on the importance of human rights.
ಸಂತ ಅಲೋಯಸಿಯಸ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮ ಮತ್ತು ಸಂವಹನ ವಿಭಾಗವು ಮಾನವ ಹಕ್ಕು ಈ ವಿಷಯವನ್ನು ಆರಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ವಿಚಾರ ಸಂಕಿರಣವನ್ನು ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಸಭಾಂಗಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಯೋಜಿಸಲಾಯಿತು. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಯಾದ ಮಾನವ ಹಕ್ಕಿನ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಸಂಸ್ಥಾಪಕರಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೊಲ್ಲಾಡಿ ಬಾಲಕೃಷ್ಣ ರಾಯ್ರವರು ಈ ಮಾನವ ಹಕ್ಕಿನ ಮಹತ್ವದ ಕುರಿತು ಸಭೆಯನ್ನು ಉದ್ದೇಶಿಸಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದರು. ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಿನಿಂದ ಸತ್ತ ನಂತರವೂ ಮಾನವ ಹಕ್ಕುಗಳು ಜಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತವೆ. ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗೂ ಅವನದೇ ಆದ ಗೌರವವನ್ನು ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಡುವುದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಲೈಂಗಿಕ ದೌರ್ಜನ್ಯ, ಮಹಿಳಾ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯವನ್ನು ಜಾಗೃತಿಗೊಳಿಸುವ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾನವ ಹಕ್ಕುಗಳು ಪರಿಣಾಮಕಾರಿ ಜಾರಿಯಾಗಬೇಕಿದೆ ಎಂದರು. ಎಂಎಸ್ಡಬ್ಲ್ಯೂ ವಿಭಾಗದ ಒಬ್ಬ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಯು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಕುರಿತು ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಐ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದರು.
An issue, it's the right of each and every individual. We need to.
Women empowerment is truly the need in a patriarchal society like India. Shri Shakti, a self-defense technique workshop and a talk for women was organized by the students of mass communication at St. Aloysius College, Mangaluru.
In order to defend oneself from atrocities, the Department of Mass Communication, St. Aloysius College, in association with Center for Integrated Learning and Institute of Karate and Allied Arts, organized Sri Shakti here at the college. Let's take a look.
Asha Nayak, advocate, notary and former chairperson of Child Welfare Committee, addressed the gathering and brief on various legal acts and aspects of judicial system related to women issues in India.
As a rally, as a candlelight vigil, what are we doing for these little children and women who are raped every day in our neighborhood? Absolutely nothing.
Sachita Nada Gopala, Executive Director of the Center for Integrated Learning, gave an inspiring speech and said, "It is the responsibility of the society and each individual to be safe."
And see and listen how safe are we. Just 1 minute. Turn to your partner, because you heard a lot now from our madam. You know the intricacies of law.
The demonstration performed by the Institute of Karate and Allied Arts led by Gladwin Fernandez and team was the key highlight of the event.
Various self-defense techniques were displayed and platform for ladies participants was given to perform a trial.
Father William Marshall, Faculty of Mass Communication, spoke to Campus I.
Very much encouraging for our women, especially women audience there, to know how to defend themselves in a very difficult situation where even pepper spray may not work.
With camera person Akshita, Ivo reporting for Campus I.
Staff association is an important point in every institution. To review the achievements and maintaining togetherness, St. Aloysius College, Mangaluru conducted a staff association day.
Right now I'm standing in front of St. Aloysius College. The faculty celebrated a day of their own called the Staff Association Day. Campus I brings you more details.
This year's event was conducted on 28 March 2015 at the college main auditorium. The program started with a prayer song by Dr. Divya. Mr. Ashwin Karkera, Secretary of Staff Association, presented the annual report. The campus minister, Reverend Father Francis D. Almeida SJ, congratulated the Staff Association for their good work.
For doing wonderful work the last year, especially to help a deserving person who fell in, and then you have collected so much of money for the treatment, medical treatment of that Mr. Ravi Kanda.
Reverend Father Walter Andade SJ, the finance administrator of the college, wished all the success to the Staff Association.
And I wish all of you All the best. My good wishes, my prayers are with you, and God bless you.
Many games were conducted and the winners were awarded for their excellent performance. The formal function was ended with the cultural program by the staff and their family members. While speaking to Campus I, Mr. Lawrence Pinto, President of Staff Association, shared his views.
Staff Association Day activities for the year, and today we meet along with our families.
Mr. Mugan Prabhu, Head of the Department of Hindi of St. Aloysius College, shared his views as follows.
ಇಲ್ಲಿನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿ ವರ್ಗಗಳ ಆಗುಹೋಗುಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಚಿಂತಿಸುತ್ತಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಸೌಹಾರ್ದಯುತವಾದ ವಾತಾವರಣ ಬೆಳೆಸುತ್ತಾ ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೊಮ್ಮೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿಗಳ ಒಟ್ಟು ಸೇರಿಸುವಿಕೆ ಕೌಟುಂಬಿಕವಾಗಿ ಆಚರಿಸುವಂಥ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ಅಂತಲೂ ಕರೀಬೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮನೆ ಮಂದಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿ ಒಂದು ಸೌಹಾರ್ದಯುತವಂಥ ವಾತಾವರಣದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಆಯೋಜಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ.
Family plays a very important role when it comes to a person's success. This was signified in today's Staff Association Day. With cameraman Midun, this is Akshita reporting for Campus I.
That's all for this week. We'll be back next week with more campus stories. Same day, same channel and same time. Till then, this is your host Joanne De Silva signing off. Keep watching Campus I.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಐತೆ.